All right, guys. So, just a very quick one. I'll quickly share some few things with us regarding USD JPY, and just like you can see on my screen, 1 hour time frame price has been pulling, finding its way back up. I've been looking for how to go back to where it's coming from. So now, what you need to look out for, let's start from 4 hours time frame. Let's see. Refresh. Basically, there are some few things I'll quickly point out here. Now, with what price is looking at doing here, now this is looking like a zone for price. This is like a zone for price. And is there any possibility that price would cover up and get to this point? Okay, let's see. What if I draw a Fibonacci retracement to identify my support and resistance? Now, the whole essence of this is to be able to show us how to recognize support and resistance on the chart. How to recognize support and resistance, and I can categorically tell you that there are different ways to identify support and resistance. Okay, so what if I do something like this? You see, so support and resistance, right? And if I can drag this all the way back to those points, you see. All right, so this is my zone. Now, what if I draw my Fibonacci retracement, and I do something like this? All right, so I've identified my zone, and this is it here. So now, with what price is doing, obviously, I'm expecting price to find its way into the zone, then be rejected, or you go above the zone. So what if I come back to 1 hour time frame? Now on 1 hour time frame, it's kind of far. You see, the zone is very far. You see, the zone is just up ahead, and you can see what has been happening. All right, so identifying support and resistance just has to do with you noting out every possible area where price is having issues. All right, every possible areas where price is having issues, and to some extent, it's something you can do on any time frame. Basically, just identify your zone, and from the zone, you easily get to map out your support and resistance. So, what if I now do something like, okay, another one, something like this? Yeah, okay, something like this, right? Then I just adjust it a bit up. All right. So you see, support and resistance is easier to recognize. All right. So stay tuned to my channel for more of support and resistance videos. This is USD JPY on a daily time frame. So on 1 hour time frame, you can easily get to see what you are looking for. All right. Thank you. And subscribe so that you can learn more on how to identify support and resistance.